Max Fashion's 9th Disney collaboration launches with a Lilo and Stitch-themed kids festival, featuring Neha Dhupia in a playful style celebration asterisk. Bangalore, 27th May 2025, asterisk building on its legacy as a pioneer in the Indian fashion landscape, Max Fashion launched the latest edition of asterisk Max Kids Festival in Bangalore Star. Max's long-running partnership with Disney gets a playful update this year with the addition of Stitch, creating a whimsical and imaginative space where fashion meets fun. The event was kickstarted with much enthusiasm at Phoenix Mall of Asia, Bangalore, with celebrated doting mother and asterisk actress Neha Dhupia J asterisk owning in to launch the Max X Disney Lilo and Stitch collection. The launch featured an adorable kids fashion show, where kid models strutted down the runway in vibrant pieces inspired by Stitch's mischievous charm, setting the tone for a summer filled with color and creativity. Part of the celebration was the asterisk Paint and Win asterisk competition, which invited kids to unleash their imagination through art. Participants expressed their creativity by painting themed illustrations, with the most creative entries winning exclusive gratifications. This interactive activity will travel across 160-plus stores, 14 cities, bringing smiles to families nationwide and cementing Max's commitment to nurturing young talent. Sumit Chandna, President and Deputy CEO of Max Fashion India, shared asterisk, "At Max, our endeavor has always been to build meaningful experiences for families and kids. This year, our collaboration with Disney and the much-loved character Lilo and Stitch brings a whole new level of joy to the Max Kids Festival. Through initiatives like Paint and Win, we aim to provide a vibrant platform for children to express themselves while continuing to lead in the kidswear category." With this being their 9th collaboration with Disney, Max Fashion further solidifies its reputation as a storytelling-driven brand that resonates across generations. Past successful collections have drawn from Disney favorites such as The Jungle Book, Disney Princesses, Star Wars, Avengers Endgame and Guardians of the Galaxy. The Max X Stitch collection is now available in 520-plus Max stores across India and online at maxfashion.com. The range captures the bright spirit of Disney's Lilo and Stitch through breezy prints, joyful colors, and playful details, bringing the energy of island adventures and childhood wonder to every wardrobe. Stay tuned as the Max Kids Festival continues its journey across India, celebrating childhood, creativity, and connection, one city at a time.
So, like you rightly said, we are a global brand. We are present in many, many countries. In fact, in India,
also a global brand.
Absolutely. And in fact, in India, we have close to about 520 plus stores. Our whole focus on the consumer is around comfort, around affordability, and about fashionability. And that's what our kids and our brands signify, our clothes signify. And that is what we drive across, whether it's men, whether it's women, whether it's kids wear. That's what we focus on. That's what we drive. So it's about comfort, it's about affordability, and it's about fashionability. Specifically coming to the Max Kids Festival, this is our 12th year running. And we have done over the years many, many characters. And it's a great way for the family to come together.
It's a talent show.
Of course. Of course.
Real talent we have to explore from the kids only.
Absolutely. And we've been doing that for a long time. And we've had many a drawing competition and many a dance and song competition over the years where we've got the kids together. And of course, what we saw today was a fashion show, which is absolutely spellbinding.
And second thing, sir, even with 600 plus outlets, they are concentrated mostly in Tier 1, Tier 2 and metro cities. What about the rural area?
So actually, we are across, not just in metros and Tier 1s, but we are in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. Many district headquarters in South have a Max store. Our ambition really is around making sure that we take this brand, which is for the masses, to the real masses. And we continue to open stores every week, literally.
I feel the conventional part is definitely the storytelling. And Lilo and Stitch by itself is such a huge story for kids. It's, when a child travels into Fantasyland and they start believing in these characters, they know that they can literally, if you had to wear your heart on your sleeve, because they're in love with these characters, they wear them on and they feel like they're a part of that world. That's the part of the conventional storytelling, which fashion needs to bring in. And of course, making it look great, making it affordable, making it accessible via the Max network, making sure that the designs are in place. There's a fit check for all different kinds of kids as well, because it's not, today the kid isn't, the child that we're dressing is not dressing according to us. They have a mind of their own. So they want to go out there. The amount of options that they have within one collection. I mean, sometimes as a consumer, and I'd like to see myself as that, and I'd like to see myself as a mom, because I have 2 children. I don't know where to start buying, and I don't know where to stop buying, because the options are so many. And I really think that when it comes to the price point, you don't want to spend such a large amount of money on your child's clothing, because you also want to make, they're ever so growing, their moods are changing. There's so much spillage that they have on their clothes. Everything gets spoiled. So you want to make sure that it's affordable. You want to make sure it's fashionable. You want to make sure that somewhere, if your child is trying to tell a story or believes in a character, they shouldn't be left out. And I feel like the combination of a parent, a child, and Max Fashion is by far so beautiful the minute they wear it. And I feel like the kids today were walking the ramp so happy. A part of that narrative was also the characters that they were wearing.
Exactly. So be with the trend.
Yes.
Exactly, it is a be with the trend, and exactly the Max. Ultimately, what I feel is it's a budget friendly. That is the reason I think this is the USP of your brand, and because it's being the range being offered from a middle class way.
Yeah, I feel budget, and of course also the styles. It's not that it's just something that you get which is inexpensive, but you also get great quality, great style, a lot of kind of options to buy within a certain category. So, and they have subcategories. So for women, they'll have athleisure. For women, they'll have, for the office going woman, they'll have a different kind of collection. For, pre-teens and teens, they'll have a different collection. So there's something in there for everyone. You can literally pick up your shopping bag, and me as a family, or like, my husband, my kids and me, all of us can go in and shop, and we'll all come back with our hands full and even our pockets full still, because we won't have such a huge debt.
Going to recommend your fans regarding Max.
Already done so. I've been associated with Max this is my second time around. The last time I was here was almost a year ago. And if you're talking about my fans, firstly, thank you for the love always, but they know I wear a lot of Max.
Thank you.
Thank